Hello, talented teachers around the world. Welcome to Creative Ideas for Teaching English. One of the teachers asked me about the graphic tablet and why do I use it as a teacher? Do teachers need this graphic tablet? So we will see why do I use this graphic design tablet. First of all, when I was a young girl, I used to draw. At that time, I thought that I was an artist, but in fact, I was not. Anyway, I quit drawing maybe I used to draw 10 years ago. Then recently when my elder brother told me about this graphic design tablet, I bought it and I found it really useful. Why do I use it? I use it to draw characters, my personal characters. Of course, I'm not an artist. Sometimes I imitate and sometimes I draw my own characters. As you can see here, these are some of the characters that I draw myself. You can see they represent illnesses. I like to have my own touch on my teaching materials, as you can see. So today I'm going to show you how to draw some of these or one of these characters. You can even have a black and white version for coloring papers or even for designing your own teaching cards. You can see. I will show you what I've done with these characters. As you can see here, this is one of my TPT products. It's on my TPT store. As you can see, skip this. So first of all, I use these characters to have this cut and paste game. I wrote here the instructions, as you can see. Also, I've used these same characters, of course, to make my personal cards for sicknesses in order to teach my learners sicknesses. They are girlish, as you can see. Anyway, then folded booklets. Look at this. If you want to know how to design these, just let me know in the comments below. They are really interesting. You fold them, then you will get an interesting, let's say, game for learners. Yes, I've designed also some puzzles. As you see, and this one as well, spin. So this is why I use the graphic tablet in order to have the same character, the same face, as you can see, the same girl with different clothes and with different sicknesses, for example here. Of course, I have others like daily activities. I will show them in the next future, inshallah, using this graphic tablet. So if you want to know how to draw, follow this tutorial. See you! hope that you've liked this video, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, liking and sharing the video with your colleagues. And before I forget, if you have any other requests, please don't hesitate to mention them in the comments down below. See you!